Hello, welcome back to Church Sketchbook. Today we are traveling to Georgia, the country in the Caucasus, not the American state, to explore a church in the sky. This is church number 5 of 300. I'm on a mission to sketch 300 iconic churches around the world. If you wish to help me on this journey, subscribe. Share it with someone who might love it too, or have a look at one of my prints. While I sketch this one, I'll tell you its story and how you might reach it yourself one day. The church is called the Church of St. Maximus the Confessor, and it stands on top of a freestanding natural limestone pillar. Katskhi has been tied to Christian asceticism for well over 1,000 years. Many suggest the ruins date from the 9th or 10th century, when hermits known as stylites lived up there in near total solitude. We don't know who built the very first church for sure, but a 13th century inscription names a man called Georgi, credited with building 3 hermit cells, including, rather wonderfully, a wine cellar. At the base of the pillar stands a stone cross, marking this as a Christian site since as early as the 6th century. Amazing. Eventually, the community vanished, and the pillar sat abandoned for centuries. The first recorded modern ascent didn't come until 1944, when a Georgian mountaineer climbed to the top and found the ruins still there. Then, in the 1990s, a monk named Maxime Qavtaradze returned to Katskhi and revived the tradition of prayer and solitude on the rock. The site is active again today, though the climb itself is reserved for the monks alone. So, for the rest of us, the experience is simpler. You stand at the base, look up, and let the scale of the thing wash over you. And that's exactly what I wanted to capture in this sketch. Not just the little church, but the sheer imbalance between it and the enormous slab of limestone beneath it. If you'd like to see it yourself, Katskhi Pillar is about 200 kilometers west of Tbilisi, the capital of Georgia, near the town of Chiatura. The easiest way is to hire a car. It's around 3 hours through the beautiful Georgian countryside. Or you can take a marshrutka to Chiatura and then a taxi from there. And if you're wondering how anyone actually reaches the church, there's a metal ladder with 131 steps, climbing almost 40 meters straight up the rock face. It takes about 20 minutes to reach the top. Spoiler warning, these days that climb belongs to the monks alone. There's something quietly moving about that. A place you can stand beneath, but never quite reach. Perhaps that's exactly why this little church stays with you. It's a church that asks you to look up. I've put together a blog with more detail, links in the description. In next episode, we're leaving Georgia for Mexico to sketch the church of San Juan Parangaricutiro, half swallowed by a volcanic eruption. Until then, goodbye, and I'll see you in the next sketch.